Hello and welcome to Little Gasthaus, the German sausage maker. Today we'll make some Wiener, and it's from beef and pork meat, and let's see how that works. First we're going to mix some pork, beef, slightly frozen. Two-millimeter plate in the grinder. I need a second bowl. And we'll put that in there. Let's see how that works. Okay, and now we do the back fat. The grinder, I split the meat in half, so I make two batches, otherwise it will not fit in there. Okay, half of the back fat. So we let it run for a while. Going to add 300-gram ice water. Okay, we're going to add the rest of the water. So now we're going to always easier to make it in one batch. This is just more work. Get the rest of the meat in there. We're going to use the cheap casing for the Wiener. Keep them in salt water and they will last for more than 12 months. I got here some lukewarm water. Make sure your hands are clean. So we have to add some salt, so it will be good at the next time. What I'm gonna do is get some water inside the casing. You can see the water bubbling there. Oh, could be a little bit more. And now we fill the Okay, let's see. That's what it looks like after the filler. And now we're going to scald them, cook them at 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. And we do that for about 25 to 30 minutes. Well, this is a special case. These are the Wieners after smoking. So they're not look very smoked, because I did it actually the wrong way. I first cooked them and then smoked them, and you have to smoke them and then cook them. So you smoke them at about 70 degrees Celsius, so it's a hot smoking, for 25 minutes. And then cook them for another 20 minutes at 70 degrees. And then there will be the color you expect. Okay, let's try one. Oh, they're not really popped open. See the color inside? They're a little bit more or lighter than usually, and they are still pretty wet. But okay, we're gonna try one. Like I said, smoky, soft. Give it a try. You can do it my way or turn it around first smoke and then scalding. I made it the other way around, and I will do some Knockwurst, Barkwurst. I do it the other way around, so you see the difference. Okay, thanks for watching. If you liked it, give me a thumb up or subscribe at the link down, and I will be happy to see you back next time. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.